everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and I just want to say thank you so much to Bloom Plus for sending me another grow light, and I am tickled pink, let me tell you. You send a grow light to a gardener, I'm like a kid in the candy jar. And so this one here that they sent is one step up from the other grow light they sent me a few months ago, and I was blown away by their introductory model. I am super excited to try out the BP1500. These grow lights rock, let me tell you. The difference they make with the plants is unmatchable to any grow light I have ever used. And my lettuce color is gorgeous when I grow underneath. My Swiss chard was beautiful, and I plan on growing a lot of peppers inside the house and tomatoes. And so far I am blown away. These are good quality grow lights, full spectrum. They're LED, so they don't draw on a lot of electricity. They're sleek, and I love that. They've got this really sleek design about them. They're really lightweight, they're easy to install, and they don't heat up. There's no fans. The light that they give off is crazy how much area you can grow underneath them. So without further ado, let's open this box. And there you have it, a beautiful grow light. It's got a bit of weight to it. It's not crazy heavy though. It comes with everything you need to hang it up. It also comes with a very easy to understand manual with all the specs and everything you need to know about the grow light. So with that being said, let's go hang it up. And there you have it, the BP1500 grow light installed. It was simple and easy to do. It's sleek and looks great, and I can't wait to put my pepper plants under it. Remember, all the links are in the description box below. You can check it out, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.